Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Actually, during the lockdown time, most of the teachers facing the issue is that how to conduct examination or test through online mode. So today I came here with an excellent platform to conduct or create exam or test in online mode. So watch the full video till the end. Here I will show the complete demonstration how to set up an exam in online mode. So let's get into the topic. Open your web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome and search it class marker. Choose the first option from the result, that is www.classmarker.com. And here I have already one account, but here I'm just giving a demonstration for how to register. So click on the option register, and there are two options. One is for test takers and other one is for test conductors. That means in case of a teacher is going to conduct test. So you have to click in this option for education purpose. And give your name, type your name. And the last name. Then choose a username. So here I'm just choosing Muhammad 167. Okay, now this username is available. Sometimes it shows that this username is not available, so you have to choose another one. Okay, and password you have to give, and email address, that is very important. And I'm not robot, click on that. Verified, and click on I agree with the classmarker.com. And now your registration is done properly. After that, you need to verify your email account. For that, you need to go to the Gmail, and there will be one email from this class marker, and click on the link. Yes, now your email ID is verified. Now close it and go back to the website. And there are three options you can see. One is test, group, and link. So we can assign our test either through group or link. So in this video I am going to explain how to assign your test through link. Details about group I will discuss in the next video. So remember, if you are using free account, actually now we are registered in the free account, the features will be limited. But if you are going to upgrade to your account, you will have a lot of features. Here you can see the different types of plans, but these plans are a little bit expensive because it is almost 19.95, that means almost $20 per month. So 4,800 tests in 1 year you can take, and 400 tests in 1 month. So $20 means almost it will be 1,500 for 1 month. Or if you are going to use for your school purpose, then free account is enough. No need to go for upgrade. And so that's up to you. So here I'm explaining how to make test and link in the free account. So first go to the option test, and click on the option new test, and type the test name. So here I am class 8 science. Start adding questions. After that, you will get once you click, you will get a web page like this, and In this interface, you have to click in the option add fixed questions, and in that option you have to click the option add new questions. And here you can see this is your dashboard for adding questions. Here there are 6 types of question you can add: multiple choice question, true or false, match the following, free text, grammar type question, and essay type questions. So first we can add multiple choice question. I'm just typing a sample question here. Separating grains from chaff is called. Then this is the space for typing the question in case of MCQ, multiple choice question, and this is the space for typing answers. So here there are 4 options. There are space for 4 options are given. So option A you have to type, and option B, and option C, and option D. Okay, so there are 4 options available. We typed it now, and which one is the correct answer, that you have to choose it. So separating grains from chaff is called. So here the option I am clicking is the threshing as the correct answer. So this will be the correct option. Remember, if you click 2 options, then your student has to click 2 options for your question. Otherwise, it will the students will get only half mark. So remember, remember that you click only 1 option for 1 question. Okay. Otherwise, it will become multiple select questions. But here for school students, we are giving only multiple choice questions. And category you can keep as it is. No need to change it. The points available. How much mark you are going to give for this question? So here 1 only. Then you don't need to change it. Suppose you want to give 5 marks, then it will be 5. Otherwise, you can keep it as 1. And randomize answers. If you give this option as S, then the order of option will be changed. But you can keep as it is no. And radio buttons, you can just save it. So 1 question is added. Then you can add. Suppose you want to 5 multiple choice questions. Then in the same under the same section, you can add how much multiple choice question you need to add it. That much question you can add. Now we are going to add true or false question. How to add true or false questions? You just type a sentence. Here I type one sentence. Soil should be too loose for agriculture. So here I am going to give as false. If the sentence is false, then you have to give the option as false. If it is true, then you have to click on the option true. So here I click on the option false. Then the point is 1. Okay, here I am going to give 1 mark is 1. Then save the answer. And next you can go to the option match the following. In this match the following, this is clues and this is the matches. That means this is the column 1 and this is the column B. Here you can see that clues and their matches. Clues on the left side and the matches on the right side. So here you remember this. Here you have to put the questions and here you have to put the corresponding matches. Here I am going to put 2 options. And the corresponding match you have to type here. And here second option I put it, and corresponding matching option. Remember, if you want to add one more option, you can add it. Okay. So there are 5 options he already given. So here I just typed it only 2 options. Okay. So if you want to add more than 5 options, you can click here. Then you can add more options. Okay. So here I just typed it 2 options only. Then click on here and change the mark. Here I typed 2 options. So suppose if I want to give 1 mark for 1 option, then for 2 options I have to give 2 marks. And shuffle the matches only means only the matches will be shuffled. Okay, only this matches will be shuffled. Now the clues will be shuffled. So it's up to you. You can either put matches or your shuffles only, or both shuffle clues and matches. No matter which option you click, don't worry. And grading scale, you have to provide the option partial without deduction. If you put off option, then suppose you given 5 options, and if a student made one error, one wrong answer in one option, then the complete answer will be 0. Full points of correct answer, 0 point if any error is made. So it's better to give partial without deduction. That means suppose the students made 3 answer right and 2 answer wrong, then the students will get 3 marks. So this is the best option you can give as a grade in the grade scale. And save it. Next one is free text questions. In this section, you can give one-word questions or fill in the blank questions. So here I'm going to give leaving all the field, spelling mistake is there. Okay, so I typed the question in this box, and here the accepted answers. Suppose in case of fill in the blank question, remember in this section you have to put you should not put open-ended question. That means answer should be specific. That is very important to remember. So in this box you can put your answer which should be typed by the students. So here I am going to give follow. That is the answer. Now if there is more options, suppose more than one answer is there, then you can give more answers here. So if your students typed any one of this answer you provided, then the students will get mark. So better you you should not give open-ended question, so that only one answer you need to type it. Then choose the marks, change the marks always here. For fill in the blank question, 1 mark is enough. Okay, save it. Now free text question, in the same column you can put one-word questions like name the 2 modern methods of irrigation. Accepted answers are, you can put sprinkler system and drip system. Okay, so here I put a sprinkler system and a drip system. So you can give the same answer as sprinkler system, comma, space, drip system. Better you provide like this, so that we cannot judge the students how they are going to type it. Suppose some students will type like this, sprinkler system and drip system, or someone will write like sprinkler system, comma, space, drip system. So if you provide both option, any one of the form students return, they will get a mark. And here point is 1, so save it. So in this free text section, we can provide both fill in the blank question as well as one-word questions. Next one is grammar type question. You have to write the incorrect version of the sentence and the correct versions of the sentence. So here you can type there is no grammar question with me. So you can what is the character incorrect sentence you are going to give here, that will be typed here. That is a question. And this here you have to type the correct version of the sentence. So students will see only the sentence which you given in this box. Okay, and the students has to type the sentence same as you given in the correct version. Okay, so students will see only this option, and this option they will not be able to see. So this is in case of language subject. We can provide for this grammar testing. So next one is essay question. For essay question, you can provide as a descriptive question, but the problem is that this website won't be able to analyze the question answers. So for this question you have to answer separately. So better you avoid this section, the question providing in this section. Better you go for objective type questions. Okay, for online examination, better you go for objective type question, as well as in case of essay questions, students might face difficult to type the descriptive answers. Better you go for objective questions like multiple choice, true or false, match the following, free text and grammar. Okay, now we completed the test. Okay, then back to the test, click on the option. So here you prepared a test. Okay, and click on the option test. Now you can see that you made a test here, class 8 science. Click on this option, and if you want to edit or add more question, you can click on this option. You will be able to edit. Okay, then if you don't want to edit, then go back. Okay, click on the same test and click on the option assign. And this website will take you to another web page that has two options: assign to group or assign to link. Assigning to group, it is quite difficult. So you need to make group. You need to make group, and you have to then for the assigning test also you need to make unique codes for students. So that I will explain the next video. In this video, I'm just explaining only how to assign to a link. So click on the option assign to link and click on the option next. Just to provide the link name for your purpose only. I just here put it class 8 science trial, and here you have to go through carefully. First option available. You can make the time limit. Suppose you want to conduct test tomorrow, then put the tomorrow date. Okay, particular date, and from which time the test should be available. That time you can set it. So for example, normally test will be start from 9 a.m. or 10 p.m. and up to 12 a.m. or 1 p.m. like that you can put. If you want to make the test available only for one day, then both should be available from as well as available until both should be same date. So it's up to you. Okay, time limit you can set it here, and attempt, unlimited attempt or one attempt. Here you can put one attempt, better, and password. And if you are going to use free account, then there is no need of this. Okay, so this is here already shown that upgraded account only can choose this option. So for free account, this option will not be available. Otherwise, you can set it as a password. So student has to type this password, then only they will be able to access this test. And next one is price. If you are a school teacher, then we are not going to charge any fee amount for the test. So leave that option. And advanced language English, better avoid these all options. And next, test introduction. You can provide first name, last name. Student has to provide first name and last name for the test. But in case of free account, if you are going to assign as a link through link, then this option will not be available. And intro questions, better you just off it, because student has to give some answers for the intro questions. So this is all for security purpose only. So just avoid these all sections. It's not mandatory. And instructions, that is yes, give us yes. And here the computer generated instruction will provide like show like this, and you can add some more instruction like this. Suppose so in case of you are using free account, once the test is finished, students has to send the screenshot of their scorecard to your number. So you have to mention that once you complete test, you should send screenshot of your scorecard to dash numbers. Okay, dash number through WhatsApp, because we are using WhatsApp is the single platform which can be sent. Typing mistake, through WhatsApp. Okay, that's this number. You have to give this instruction. And time limit, you can put time limit. Usually for it's up to the length of examination. Usually you can give us 60 minutes, 1 hour. And save result, you are using upgrade option, sorry, free account, then you have to give this click as no. Okay, no, save result. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to assign link. In case of upgraded account, then no problem, you can save the result. That's why in the beginning I told that some features will not be available. Resume letter does no, and theme class maker. So here they will provide with the theme class maker. If you want to make your custom theme, you can go to this option and type the text. Suppose your school name, this is my school name, so I'm just giving. You can choose the color and everything, like okay, theme background, everything. You can just put it and save the option. So you can make the custom theme. And okay, you have to fill the theme name here so that you can later use this one, and you can provide the subject name also. Here I'm directly provide this one. So here you can see the preview. Okay, so when students are attending the test, the theme will be like that. Your school name will be provided as well as the subject and class also. So you can make the custom theme. Okay, now next is test questions, 1 question per page. In case of some competitive online examinations, we have say only 1 question per page, but for students better you make 10 question per page to visible, 10 question per page, and the display point each question is worth during the test, and category also they can show, or category no need, but point should be displayed with the question. Then only students will be able to understand for this question how much mark they are going to get. And the randomize, you can provide either question random as or nor better provide as no, better put keep it as no, and answers mandatory, can change the answers, and here there are option must answer the question. That means the system will not let the students if you click in this option must answer the question, the computer will not let the students to attempt the question. That means they have to come attend all the question before they are going to finish the exam. And allow test record go back to the during the test is better providing no. Okay, once they completed 1 page, if they started answering the 2nd page, then they cannot come back to 1st page. It's up to you. All this option you can set it up to you. And in result page, you can provide point percentage feedback, custom asset below, that's up to you, but in case of free account it will not be provided. And grade questions, better you just off this option, because if you are going to use free account, then through link result will not be saved. So if you click this option, reveal correct answer and display incorrect answer like that, then after the test they will be able to see what is the correct answer for these questions. So again they go back to the test and they will they will again attempt the test and they will make completely right. So for that purpose, you better you off this option. Okay, that means students will not be able to understand which question is wrong, which question is right, and they will not be able to see the answers of the questions also. So if you are using a free account, then this will not be better put this option as no. Otherwise, if you are using upgraded account, then no problem, you can put the option here save result, which we already discussed. In that option, if you put save result, then once the students attended the test, then the result will be saved. Then they cannot go for further test. So this is all about that. Next, pass mark feedback. Here also we can provide the feedback, but this option is only available for upgraded account. You can put as 40%, but in case, and one is, suppose you can give here test completed message shown pass. If the students is pass, then congratulations, something like that you can give. And in case of this, improve your studies, like that. Okay, and return link webbook no, and certificate you will not be, because certificate only for upgraded account. For upgraded account, students will be able to download a certificate with their marks, name and percentage. Okay, but in case of free account it is not possible. And email result, which is also not possible, this is only for upgraded account. And printing, copying, so better put us all allow printing, allow highlight and copy text, allow pasting text, better give it as no, because it is part of your privacy. Okay, after that click this option, because if you are going to use only one mode, that is free account, then put save as my default settings, then this all settings will be same for all the tests you are going to make. So click this option and finally assign it. Then as a test is ready, and you can see this is the corresponding link for your test, and copy it. So here I send the this link through WhatsApp. Suppose you are using any group for students, okay, for particular class, you can send this link to that group. So, and once you send the link, tell them to attend the exam by clicking this link. So once students click on this link, they will be able to attend the test. So this is the interface which is showing test. Okay, so this is the test mode, and they will get instruction like number of questions, like that, everything they will get it, and they can click on continue, and here also the special instruction will be provided in the second page. Once you complete the test, here you have to provide your number, which we already discussed before, and they can start the test by clicking on the button to start, and they can see the question. Separating this, here I already set the answer. I know the answer. Answer I given as Russian, but here I am going to click on fallow, and here so it should be agriculture, that means false, and green, and two options. If you put 5 questions, then there will be 5 options in this second portion. So select, and I put the 2 options, and living field and cultivated is here. When students type the answer, no matter they are typing capital or small letter, but letter should be correct. Name the two modern methods: sprinkler system and drip system. Finish now, and they have to click on the button confirm finish. Then they can see the test result here, 2 out of 6. They can take the screenshot and send to your number so that you can make the analysis of test. So that's all about this. Okay, now click on the, come back to your website and click on the test. You can edit the test if you want to add more questions, or if you want to remove the question, you can click on the edit option. And here you can put, if you want to remove the test from this, you can click on this option. Or if you want to remove the or edit the test, you can click on this option. And if you want to start new test, click on this option, test. And you can put on the click on the option new test. You can make another test. Okay. Okay, second test, then you can start adding the question, which we learn in the case of first one. So this is all about, and in the next video we will discuss how to assign your test through group. What is the advantage if the test is assigned through group is that reset can be saved even if you are using free account. Okay, so that video is going to be lengthy, so that I will explain in the next